Okay guys, so we're here at this old train station. What was it? Early 1900s. And the coins are coming out in weird, they're like weird colors. So here's a nickel. Like, look at that green. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Let me see if I can get a date off of it here.
It's like, it's a weird green. And the pennies, let me see one of the pennies right here. Oh, that one's not. But at the wrap-up, I'll show you what I'm talking about here.
Show them.
Yeah, okay.
Right here is
Yeah, it's like, I don't know if you guys
a
can get
dime.
It's like red.
It's like a reddish brown.
Yeah, and then a penny's like,
which is just in like, it's just really shiny.
yeah, and then the nickel. This is the first one we found, and it's like, I don't know if I can get that green. If not, I'll show you at the wrap up. But that's pretty cool. So I found 3 pennies in this now, and we've been here for 10 minutes, not even. And they're all really shallow signals too. So we'll get back to you when we get something else.
Alright guys, I'm right here next to the sidewalk here, and got a dime. That is my second dime in like 5 minutes. So there it is. Let's get some more.
Okay guys, so got another penny right here. What it was showing up as too. I don't know if I'll be able to get the date off of that. Oh yep, 1996. Did you get it?
Oh, but look at that plug. That's kind of cool.
Wait, there it is. So, a lot of pennies so far, a lot of them. And I am, this way, using the Ace 250 today. Switched from the Ace 300 and wanted to try the Ace 250. I have the Ace 300 case on it, and I'm using the Ace 300 headphones because I like the case and the headphones from the Ace 350 a lot better. Look at that car. So we'll get back to you when we get something else. Okay guys, so right here is where I got the penny, right here, and right next to it I got this. It looks like part of the watch, which I honestly might have chopped it off. So I'll grab the pin pointer. Here, I'll go grab the pin pointer. That might have been it. Someone's watch
I think he
broke.
did chop it off.
Because I'm not getting a signal. Yeah, it's something. I might have hit it, but I'm not getting another signal. I'll try with this. Oh, that's it.
That's it guys, yeah.
Iron signal right here. Which I might dig it just because of curiosity. Oh, Jesus. What is it like? It looks like copper.
I don't know.
Today.
It's really light because it's aluminum. I think
Aluminum.
aluminum bro.
Copper plated. Big plug. Sidewalk. So I'll use this. Back more. So I might just like dig right there then. Slice it again. Slice it in half again. Something right there. Is that really it? That's totally it. Like a grocery bag thing. Like,
Has a very small,
yeah. Yeah, that was it.
very small. Oh
What
well.
was it? It was showing up.
That was deep. That was really deep in the ground. It's weird.
That might not be a watch thing because it kind of has like 2 clips right there. But I don't know. Oh, it might be the thing that
yeah.
clip under it. That you
Yeah.
just clip off.
Oh well. Alright, let's get some more. We have lots of ground to cover.
Okay guys, so right here next to the sidewalk, that's next to the road. And right here I got a solid nickel. Right there, 4 inches. So this right there. Here, can I see the shovel? Thanks. Can I see the pinpoint? Oh, nice. Penny right on top of the ground. Oh. Yeah, it's on. Oh, is that it? Yep. There it is. Piece of foil. I don't know why that was showing up as a dime or a nickel. No idea. But we'll get back to you when we get something else.
Oh, it's out of the hole.
Let's see here. Probably a penny.
There it is.
Or is it another dime?
penny.
Oh. And over there, oh, look at that. 2 police and 2 police actually showed up over there. It's like a group of 4 people. They got in trouble.
Get busted.
And right over there, you can see my metal detector. I got some. So I'll go over there and dig that, and then we'll get back to you when we either find out what's going on there or another find. Okay guys, so we're back home, and here's everything we got. So we'll start off with mine. Here's the junk. Actually, I don't know if that's junk, but I think it's aluminum, so probably. Then I got 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 5 pennies, so that's 40 cents. Then I got this. It's part to someone's glasses. And so here's Josiah's.
Alright, I got count these up real quick. 6, 6, and 6, that's 18 pennies. 2 dimes, 1997 and a 1996. And I'm not sure what this is. Can't think of anything that I would go off to. I'm not sure. A key, which was on the ground, just sitting on top of the ground. It's a Toyota. 2 pull tabs. This is
Ted chocolate coin.
yeah, chocolate coin thing. That almost looks like a motor. A little. Oh, there, you guys can see it. I'm not exactly sure what that is. And then, what are these called?
Wing nuts.
Wing nuts, yeah.
I got one too.
Ashton got one too. And these 2 little S's, which I'm not sure what they were used for. Yeah, hooks for something.
To like hold.
Whatever, I don't know.
Keep tension on, that's what.
And oldest coin was 1964 penny. So I got 38 cents and Ashton got 40. So he beat me again.
Sounds so disappointed.
Yeah.
And we have the AG Pro too.
Yeah. Oh well. Alright, so that's all for this hunt, guys. See you in the next hunt.